Hey everyone, welcome to the Savvy Campers. Today we are going to take our stock lid off and replace it with a locking lid. So you can see the stock lid looks like that and there's no lock. And what we're going to do is replace it with something that looks like that. And that is going to give us added security for all of our valuables that we could have inside. And this product is made by Tuffy. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. So we've got our stock box that we're going to have to remove. So we're going to keep you in the front of all the action, so I'm going to work behind you. So we're going to go ahead and remove this. So there's 4 bolts. This one I'm going to have to get in the way, so hopefully you can still see. So we've got those removed. So now we've got some other bolts under these tie-down points. So let's go ahead and get those removed. So we're going to use our Klein 11-in-1. And we're just going to go ahead and pry these off. And they pry off, it looks like, kind of from the inside out to reveal some more fasteners. Those are some big boys, but those are actually made to tie down things. Look at that. Focus. Come on. Look at those. Those are actually metal and made to hold things down. So I'm real impressed with that. So while I'm doing this real quick, if anyone is actually in the market for a new or used travel trailer, we do actually have an inspection course on that. If you want to check that out, down below in the description, we'll have a link. And you can also go to thesavvycampers.com/inspection course. And that course will teach you lots of things of how to inspect a new or used travel trailer and has some good money saving tips for you. So don't forget to check it out. So now we've got our lid removed, so we can go ahead and take our new lid and check out that fitment. It looks good. It's got a nice raisin or something. Okay. Okay, so let's get it covered up. And now what we can do is get that one screwed on. All right, so what we're going to do is do the opposite. We're just going to thread these on top, and you cannot reuse your old hardware. I was looking at doing that, but these are flat, so they allow the mechanism to close. So fitment wise, they're all going in properly. All right. So guess what? That's it. So we can go ahead and close that down and then use the locking mechanism. And that seals nicely. That was just such an easy install and really adds to the security of our truck. Like when we go on vacation, we can put lots of our valuables down in here, such as our iPads or something like that. And since it's covered by the mat, no one would ever know. But if they do, hey, it's locked. So they will not be able to get into this. That's a great idea for a product, and we're really glad that Tuffy sent it out to us. So if you have any questions, it should be a straightforward install. It's really just those four bolts that go in there, the 4 fasteners, and you just close it up and lock it. We've got our original plastic, and we did not have to make modifications to anything. I did not put our insert back because I did read if you want to use the insert, you do have to make some permanent modifications. But it really, I don't know, to me it doesn't really matter if you have the insert, because let me show you. It still is a nice, clean plastic area in there. And then if you have the insert with this latching system, you won't be able to remove it anyways unless you take the cover off. So we're just going to choose not to use the insert because we can't take it in and out anyways. Well, there you have it. If you want to check it out, we'll have a link to them down into the description. And if you have a Ram truck and you're looking for some more security, this Tuffy product is awesome. We really like it. We've got a couple more of their products, and they've done very well for us. We have a safe in our trailer that they make, and it's for laptops or iPads, cameras, things like that. It's all padded, got 1-inch foam around it. But anyways, great product. And let me know if you have any questions on the install or if you have any difficulties, and I can help out answer them. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.